In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Perplexity AI on the web or app. If you're new to Perplexity AI, signing in is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it so you can start exploring answers and AI features with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website, or launch the Perplexity AI app if you already have it installed on your device. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the legitimate site or using the official app to keep your account secure. If you don't have the app yet or you're not sure of the correct website, I've placed the download link for the app and the official website link right at the top of the description to make it easy. Once the site or app is open, look for the Sign In button on the homepage or the welcome screen. It's usually clearly visible near the top corner or center of the screen. Click or tap Sign In to begin. Next, enter the email address that's linked to your Perplexity AI account, followed by your password. Type carefully to avoid typos. Watch for extra spaces and check that caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill your credentials to reduce errors. Keep your login details private, especially if you're on a shared computer. You may be asked to complete a quick verification step. If prompted, open your email inbox and find the verification code Perplexity AI just sent you. Codes are time sensitive, so grab it right away and be sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it immediately. Enter the code exactly as shown. This extra layer of security helps protect your account, so never share these codes with anyone. After verification, you'll be signed in. From here, you can start using Perplexity AI to ask questions, explore suggested prompts, and take advantage of the platform's powerful features. If you plan to return frequently, consider enabling Stay Signed In options on your personal device for faster access next time. And if you ever run into an issue, a quick page refresh or double checking your email and password usually does the trick. That's all you need to log into Perplexity AI on the web or the app. Remember, the download link for the app and the official website link are pinned at the very top of the description, so you can get started right away. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to explore more videos like this, and thanks for watching.